Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure maps with Google Maps SDK and React Native, complete guide step by step clearly. To start configuring maps with Google Maps SDK and React Native, ensure you have a React Native project set up. If you haven't created a project yet, use the command npx react native init mymap app to initiate one. Next, navigate to your project directory by running cd mymap app. Install the Google Maps SDK for React Native by executing the command npm install. After installation, link the library to your project. On React Native CLI, use npx react native link React Native Maps. For iOS, navigate to the iOS folder and install the CocoaPods dependencies by running pod install. Open the info.plist file in the iOS/mymap app folder and add your Google Maps API key under a new entry called GMS API key. For Android, open android/app/src/main/android manifest.xml. Add the following metadata tag for your Google Maps API key within the application tag: metadata Android name equals com.google.android.go API underscore key Android value equals your underscore API underscore key /. Now, let's create a map component. In the mymap app folder, create a new file named mapcomponent.js. Inside mapcomponent.js, import React and the components from React Native and React Native Maps. Define the map component function that returns a map view. Set the style prop to give your map a width and height. You can customize the initial region by setting the initial region prop within the map view. For example, use coordinates for a city of your choice. Now, to display this component, import map component into your app.js file. Replace the default view component with your new map component. After these changes, run your app to see the map in action. Use the command npx react native run Android or npx react native run iOS as per your platform. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a fully functional map displayed on your screen. Explore further customizations such as markers and user location features through the React Native Maps documentation. This completes the basic setup and configuration for using Google Maps SDK in a React Native application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.